Are you a nurse planning to work in Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Oman, Bahrain, or Kuwait? One of the most important steps in your licensing process is DataFlow verification. Mandatory background check to verify your educational and professional credentials. In this video, I will walk you through the entire DataFlow process step by step. Explain the required documents, fees, and common mistakes to avoid so that your application gets processed smoothly. Watch till the end to ensure you don't miss any important details. Step 1. Understanding DataFlow verification. DataFlow is an international verification company used by Gulf countries to confirm the authenticity of your nursing degree, experience, and license. Without DataFlow clearance, you cannot proceed with licensing, exams, or job applications. The verification process ensures that no fake or altered documents are submitted. Step 2. Creating an account on the DataFlow portal. 1. Go to the official DataFlow group website. 2. Select your target country, for example, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar. 3. Click on Apply Now to start the application. 4. Register with your email and create a password. Step 3. Required documents for DataFlow. Passport must be valid. Nursing degree and transcript. BSN, diploma, or post-RN. PNC license. Pakistan nursing. Council or your home country's nursing license. Experience certificate, at least 2 years post-graduation experience. Good standing certificate. Some countries require it. Important. Ensure all documents are clear, scanned in color, and in PDF format to avoid rejection. Step 4. Selecting the type of verification. You will be asked to choose which documents to verify. Education verification. Confirms your nursing degree. Experience verification. Confirms your job experience. PNC license verification. Confirms your active nursing license. Verification fees. Each university charges separate fees for degree verification. Dow University, $100. LUMHS, $50. DataFlow processing fees apply separately, varies by country. Step 5. Submitting the application and payment. Pay the DataFlow fees using a credit/debit card. After payment, you will receive a reference number to track your application. Step 6. Tracking your DataFlow application. Processing time. 20 to 45 days. May take longer if documents are unclear. Check your email and DataFlow portal regularly for updates. If additional documents are required, DataFlow will email you. Respond quickly to avoid delays. Step 7. Receiving the DataFlow report. Once verification is complete, you will receive a positive or negative report. Positive report equals all documents are verified successfully. Negative report equals issues with documents, mismatch, unverified institution.